My father keeps hanging up the phone while I'm still talking, so I got instant karma. My dad hangs up on me every time I call. As soon as he thinks he's heard what he needed, he disconnects the call. No goodbye, no I'm hanging up now, nothing. It drives me insane. Last week I called him to invite him to my son's birthday. It was a big moment for my boy, and I really wanted my dad there. But my dad kept hanging up, assuming I was done talking. I called him 3 or 4 times, but each time he hung up. I was about to lose it. My son's birthday was coming up, and my dad wasn't giving me a chance to explain. It felt like he didn't care at all. After 3 or 4 attempts, I was done. If he wasn't willing to listen, I wasn't going to chase him anymore, so I gave up. The day of the party, my dad called, furious. He didn't know about the birthday because I hadn't mentioned it. I calmly reminded him that I'd tried calling him several times. Since he wasn't interested in staying on the line, I assumed he wasn't coming. Now, my son's birthday passed without him, and I'm not even sorry. If he can't take the time to listen, he doesn't deserve to be there.